My name is Christian with ikonboats here, and today I'll be showing you how to access your wireless charger, your key switch, and your USB controls. So to start, you will just take out these 6 flathead screws that are holding your key switch in. And note that we don't have the Stewart pads in right here, but if you ever have to access this for any reason, contact warranty at ikonboats and they will send you a new set of pads for your key switch for having to access. After you have uninstalled your 6 flathead screws on the key switch, you will be able to just pull out your key switch to see your connections. So as you can see, here we have the key switch connections. This is the auto bilge light connections, your wireless charger connections, and your USB connections right here. To reinstall, just place your key switch back in the recess, grab your flathead screws and your impact, and line up the holes for your screws. Now that is how you uninstall and install your key switch.